Hey guys, how's it going? Hasib here and welcome to another video. In this video, I want to discuss something really important, which is keyword matching options. So most of the times when you are creating a Google ad campaign or when you're optimizing one, you come across this term called matching options or match types. So there are three match types, which you can see on the screen in this page. The first one is broad match, the second one phrase, and the third one exact. So I'm going to discuss why you should not go with broad match keywords or broad match types. I'm not saying you shouldn't go with it. In some cases you have to, but most of the times try avoiding this, and this is why. So broad match keywords are triggering a lot of relevant and sometimes irrelevant keywords for ads. So for those of you who do not know, whenever you are adding a keyword in your Google ad campaign, what happens is most of the times keywords relating to that or different variations of that same keyword are like typed by users, right, on Google. So your ads will trigger for the related keywords most of the times. Like if you are using like roof repair for this keyword, there are like your ad might trigger for if somebody searches for roof repair experts or roof repair company or best roof repair. Depends on how you set up the match types, you can control this thing. So for broad match, let me give you a use case. If you are targeting roof repair, like you are working for a roof company or you are the owner of the roof company. Now, what happens is if you use broad match, the roof repair keyword as a broad match, what will happen is you are providing roof repair services, right? But sometimes for broad match, a lot of other irrelevant keywords like roof repair jobs, roof repair insurance, and other like bunch of irrelevant, like out of the box keywords start triggering your ads, and people start clicking on those sometimes, and you end up losing a bunch of money. So in order to prevent this, you have to avoid using broad match keywords. If you see this like low carb diet plan, broad match keywords, so this keyword is being used in the campaign as a broad match type. So let's see what are the keywords that are triggering, like that are being triggered by this keyword, right? So carb free foods, low carb diets, low calorie recipes, so diets, recipes, Mediterranean diet books, low carbohydrate dietary program, and like it might be like any other keyword that's triggering your ads that you don't want to trigger your ads for, right? So what you have to do is you have to avoid. Now in some cases, let's say let me give you another use case. Like you are targeting a very small area and keyword search volume is really low for that area, right? So if you are like doing advertising for roofing or any other local services or any other online services that does not have enough search volume, what you have to do is you have to go for the broad match first, and then you have to narrow it down by adding negative keywords by doing a regular search, a regular optimization. In that case, you have to use broad match keywords. Now, how to use phrase and exact match? So let's say when you are like doing campaign and you come across this page where you have to create ad groups. Ad groups means a list of keywords. So an ad group might contain lots of keywords or maybe one keyword. So the way to avoid using broad match keywords is when you're adding a keyword, let's say roof repair, roof replacement, roof company. The way you avoid using broad match is you wrap this keyword with inverted, and when you wrap it with inverted commas, you create this keyword as a phrase match type. So this is a phrase match keyword now, and if you use the same keyword again in square braces, it becomes an exact match keyword. So you can use the same keyword with two different match types at the same ad group. That's not an issue. You can do that completely. And for that, like for roof replacement, you might want to use it as a phrase match. Also, let's say I want to use roof repair company as an exact match. So really close, like roof repair company, Arizona, or any other keyword, like really that's really related or almost similar to this keyword. So when you're using exact match, those keywords will trigger your ad. So make sure you follow this technique. Avoid using broad match keywords. Go for phrase and exact match. I'll link this document so you can see this for yourself, why you shouldn't do it. Like, this is actually up to you. Google doesn't tell you to not use broad match because it's one of their features. Why wouldn't they want us to use that? But in my personal experience, we end up losing a lot of money, which we shouldn't waste. So you could use this to get more, relevant clicks or more relevant traffic audience using phrase match and exact match. So make sure you do this and make sure you subscribe if you think these information are valuable. And I'll see you in the next one.